Hi, I'm Wade Askew, Policy Manager at Georgia Justice Project. This video is a brief explanation of a new law called SB 10, which could affect your rights if you recently missed traffic court or if your license has already been suspended because of missing traffic court. I'll go through the steps that you can take if you fall under either of those scenarios. First, what to do if you miss traffic court. The first thing that we recommend is to call the court clerk as soon as possible. If you contact the court before your license is suspended, then the court will have the ability to stop the suspension before it starts. We recommend that you tell the clerk, "I missed my traffic court date. Please set a new hearing date and tell the Department of Driver Services, or DDS, not to suspend my driver's license." You may also want to explain why you missed traffic court if you had a reason for missing traffic court, such as you didn't have childcare, you couldn't miss work, you were in the hospital, or you had a family emergency. You can also ask how you can resolve your ticket without a hearing date. If you cannot afford to pay your ticket, tell the court clerk or the judge that you cannot pay and ask if there are any options for you. You may find your court clerk's contact information on your ticket or online. The next scenario I'll cover is what to do if your license has been suspended for missing traffic court. If your license has already been suspended because you missed traffic court, the first thing we recommend is that you contact the court clerk or you try to appear to court in person for a hearing as soon as possible. The court has the power to decide when to reinstate your license. You don't have to fully resolve your case or pay off all your fines and fees for the court to have the ability to reinstate your license. It can reinstate your license at any time. We recommend that you tell the clerk or the judge why you missed court and/or explain why you need your license back. If the court does order that you should get your license back, you may have to pay a reinstatement fee to DDS. This reinstatement fee is usually about $100. If you cannot afford to pay that $100 reinstatement fee to DDS, tell the court. The judge has the power to waive that reinstatement fee that DDS would charge you. You'll want to explain why you cannot afford to pay and ask that the court waive it. Finally, what to do if the court has reinstated your license. Your next step will be to go to a DDS office to ask for your license back. We'll probably have you fill out some paperwork and they may ask you to pay some fees. Even if the court has waived your DDS reinstatement fee, DDS may say that you owe additional fees if you've had other issues with your license. If you do owe more money to DDS, you can ask for a form that would request that DDS reduce the amount of money that you owe. This form is something that they call the Pauper's Affidavit form. You can ask for the Pauper's Affidavit form, where you will be able to swear that your income level is beneath a certain level. If your income is under their limit, then DDS will be able to cut your fees in half. At that point, you should hopefully be able to get your license back and get back on the road. If you run into any issues with any of the things I described, or you would like more information, you can check out our website at gjp.org or contact our office. Thank you and good luck.